Hello students, my name is SuMit Mehta. Today in this lecture we will discuss about fractions and decimals. So first we start with fractions. So what is a fraction? Any number represent in the form of p by q is called a fraction. Okay, and q should not be equal to 0, because if q is equals to 0, let's say if I write 2 by 0, so this will become not defined or infinity. Okay, so the value of q should not be equal to 0 in a fraction. So what is a proper fraction? Means proper fraction means a 7 by 4, let's say this is a proper fraction. Okay, in which the numerator is greater than the denominator, and there are also a term called mixed fraction, in which I will write this 7 by 4 as 1 and 3 by 4. I hope you guys know how to find this. So 4 into 1 plus 3, so this will become 4 into 1 plus 3 upon 4. So this is again 7 by 4. This is simply a denotion of proper fraction into mixed fraction, in which I will write the fraction as 1 and 3 by 4. So how the question comes on these type of fractions based into exam. Okay, so let me write one question for students. So students, here is one question based on fractions. It states that Ramesh sold 2 by 7 part of an exercise while Seema sold 4 by 5 of it. So and we have to find out who sold lesser part. So in order to solve which one is lesser or which one is greater, we have to equate whether the denominator or whether the numerator of the both the fractions. So one is 2 by 7 and another is 4 by 5. So what I'll do, I will make the denominator equal. To make the denominator equal, I will multiply the first fraction by 5 upon 5 and the second fraction by 5 upon 7. Okay, so this will come 10 upon 35, and the second fraction which Seema solved, it is solved by Ramesh and it is solved by Seema, and it will come 28 by 35. As now you can see both the denominators in the two fractions are equal. So we will judge by looking at the numerator, and if the numerator part is greater, so the fraction is greater than the other fraction, and the numerator part is greater in Seema. So 28 by 35 I can say that is greater than 10 by 35. So I will say Seema sold larger part of paper, but we have to find out who sold the lesser part. So obviously Ramesh sold the lesser part of paper. So these type of questions might come into exam, in which you have to find out which fraction is smaller or which fraction is larger. Okay, and the question might come into exam then in which you have to add or subtract two fractions. So let me give you some more examples on this. So student, here is another question which states that Suman studies for 5 and 2 by 3 hours daily. So total time of Suman study will be 5 and 2 by 3. I can simply write it at 5 into 3 plus 2 is 17 by 3 hours in a day. She devotes this much time for science and mathematics. Time for maths and science 2 and 4 by 5. So this will be 14 by 5 hours. Okay. So how much time the question asked us she devotes for other subjects? Time for other subjects would be 17 by 3 minus 14 by 5, because this was the total time she was devoting to studies and this is the total time she is devoting to math and science. Okay, and we have to find out. So to equate both the denominator, I will multiply the first part with 5 by 5 and the second part with 3 by 3 to make the denominator same. So the denominator here is 85 by 15. Now here is 42 by 15. Okay, so this will come 15. 85 minus 42 will be 43 by 15 hours. And I can write this as 2 13 by 15 hours. Okay, so this is the time she is devoting to other subjects. So students, these are the typical questions based on fractions of two numbers. So I hope students now you can attempt any question based on fraction of a number. So if you still any facing any doubt or any query, please do comment in the comment section students. I'll be happy to help you guys there. And please download the app of Scholars Learning from App Store or Play Store. And if you have already did, then please do share it with your friends students. Thank you.